All right, so here I am. I have my Hidden History of Oz map that I've been playing around with, and we can see that I've removed nearly everything from it. All that remains behind are basically what you would call the surface details, right? The things that represent the topography. No more trees, no references to grasslands, cities, ruins, anything along those lines. What was left are things representing mountains, hills, the flatter areas, and the waterways. So, speaking of the waterways, though, I think it would be worthwhile for me to separate those because the waterways, the goal is to turn this into a height map that I'll then bring into a modeling program like Blender that I can turn into a 3D model. The waterways exist at different heights according to the terrain. So, that's something that's going to change with the terrain. So I think the water gets removed and then reintegrated later with a level of transparency. So I think what happens now is I select my layer, I can right click, and I can move up and I can duplicate the layer. So with that selected, I can then go ahead and remove anything from here that is not part of the waterway. Although, well, not a big deal really. I think let's move this layer down, and I'm gonna hide this layer, and then I'm gonna rename this. Yeah, well, let's rename it Oz Water, just for my own clarity later on. All right, so then, yeah, that being the case, I can just go ahead and using whatever method I prefer, go through here and just remove all of the details from this that are not representing water.